Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a last lesson of second unit, that is 2.6, Science and Spirituality. Now, this lesson, or we can call it as a chapter, actually taken from the book written by Srujan Pal Singh. Srujan Pal Singh is a famous writer in India. He is a young writer, but the book which he published with this name, "What Can I Give," was very famous. And in that book, basically, he is describing or he is discussing about the science and spirituality, especially about the spirituality. Okay. Now he is telling that what can I give means what we can give to the society. Okay. And what are that factors that compel us to give something to someone or to the society. And for that, while writing this book, he again and again made our late president, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and he discussed a variety of things along with Abdul Kalam ji, and whatever the views of Abdul Kalam ji was there about the spirituality. He tried to brought all that things in that book actually, but some of the part is given out of that in this book. Now here we will come to know that Abdul Kalam, who was a scientist, one of the biggest scientists of the world. We call him as a missile man also, right? He was the president of our country. So this lesson focuses, or this lesson tells us how Abdul Kalam was so spiritual, though he was a scientist. Then what was the reasons, which factors were there behind him, or behind the spirituality, behind the belief that he had in a religion and in God and to this universe? What were the factors? So he is focusing especially on this aspect, and for that Srujan Pal Singh met him again and again, and he asked him ki what are that factors. So in 2 3 this lesson is actually divided into 3 parts, and in these 3 parts Srujan Pal Singh tried to tell us that how and why Abdul Kalam is became so spiritual. Okay, now before going to the lesson, let me talk you about page number 89. I am on page number 89. You also come on page number 89. So on page number 89, first of all, let us talk about the heading of the lesson, or the title of the lesson. What is the title? The title says that science and spirituality. Now, what is the difference between science and what is the difference between spirituality, that we are going to see in the lesson? So that we are not going to discuss now, but at least about spirituality, I want to tell you. Science everyone knows, right? Everyone knows what is a science, but what is a spirituality? So spirituality is a what we can say. It is a thing in which we believe in religious matters. Understood? It is a thing in which we believe in religious matters or in religious things. Spirituality is the thing which tells us to believe in religion. Okay, because there are two wings. If we will talk, so we'll see that there are two wings in this world. One wing is there who believes in science. They do not believe in spirituality. This spirituality and all these things are useless nonsense. Another wing is there who says that the driving force of this world is nothing but the spirituality. Okay, the driving force. This world is moving very smoothly. And who is behind this? So nothing but the spirituality. So we are going to see through the views of Abdul Kalam ji. Abdul Kalam is explaining all that. Actually, Srijan Pal is telling us, but we are going to get it from the examples of Abdul Kalam. Okay, so before that, let us come to the warming up activity. So, what is a warming up activity? First is given, get into pairs or in group and match the column. So, what you have to do? You have to, that pairs and groups are given, so you have to do that. It means a match the pair is there. What is given in that match the pair? So, some words are given, for example, science, religion, spirituality, philosophy and theology, and their meanings are given on the another box, that is in B. So you have to match the pairs. What you can do in this? You can take the help of a dictionary. This is homework for you. Okay, you can take the help of dictionary and you can complete this. Okay. Then second one is their second activity. Given below are some of the incomplete codes. Complete them choosing from the word science, religion and spiritual. So three words are given: science, religion and spiritual. So from these three words you have to complete some of the codes. Some codes are given and you have to complete them and make them meaningful by putting this out of these three words: science, religion and spiritual. You have to make these quotes as meaningful quotes. Okay, that is also homework. This is a very easy activity. You can, once you will go through it, you will understand, you will write it, okay, easily. That is not the problem. Then what's the difference between science and technology? Yes, okay, on this I want you to write this. What is science and technology? Because basically science and technology both are different words. Understood? Science and technology both are different words, but generally nowadays we use at a time science technology. So you have to tell the difference and discuss in pair and tell. Now pairs are not there, you are sitting at home, so no need to make the pairs and tell your answer to the class. So no need to tell the class, but write in copy and send me on a homework group. Okay, now next activities. Fourth one is, do you think that science and faith both are important in our lives? Yes. Why? Discuss in your group. And okay, once again, that second part of the fourth activity, that science and faith, okay, both are important or not. So you have to express your, you see, from last year I am telling you, the pattern demands your expression in the sense, the more you will express, the more you will be able to score marks. Understood? The more you will express, more you will score. And see, this year from last year I told to 10th standard students also, they were doing it to some extent, and the result is very good in English. Means whatever I was telling them, I got results also. The same suggestions I am giving to you also. If you will apply these suggestions, definitely you will also get very good marks. This year I hope more than 10 students, 12 I hope 12 students got 91 in English. Okay, you also have a very good opportunity. So what you have to do you think that science and faith are both important in our life? So you have to express your views and you have to send me. Okay, then all these four activities are homework for you. So I hope now today's video is going to be a video of homework only. Okay, then fifth one is, we need science, we need, okay, fifth skip fifth one, no problem. Read refer to dictionary and find out the meaning of the following words: spirit, a person's mind or feeling or soul. Okay, so fifth and sixth you have to skip 1 2 3 4. Do it in your see, out of that first and second you can do in textbook only, match the pair and this one, that is not a big thing. Means you can directly send me this picture only. Okay, and this too you have to do in notebook and you have to send me the topics. So let us stop here for today, and in tomorrow's video we will start the lesson science and spirituality. Okay, by then, have a nice day.